Welcome. In today's video, I'll guide you through the quick and easy steps on how to join a group on WhatsApp with the most updated method. Whether you're new to WhatsApp or just need a reminder, this process only takes a couple of minutes. First of all, open WhatsApp on your phone. This is where everything begins. Make sure that the app is updated to the latest version so you can follow along without any issues. Next, you'll need an invite link. Group links are controlled by the group admin, so you can't just jump into any group you like. Ask the admin of the group you want to join to share the invite link with you. This can be sent to you through a message, email, or even another app. Once you have the link, simply tap on it. The moment you do, WhatsApp will automatically open and take you directly to the group's information page. Here, you'll see details about the group like its name, description, and who's part of it. This step is helpful because it gives you a chance to quickly review the group before you actually join. Now comes the last part. At the bottom of that information page, you'll see the option that says Join Group. Tap on it, and just like that, you're officially a member of the group. From this point on, you're able to send and receive messages, share photos, videos, and fully interact with everyone else inside the group. That's really all there is to it. To quickly recap, open WhatsApp, get the invite link from the group admin, tap the link to view the group, and then tap Join Group. These simple steps will have you connected and part of the conversation in no time. Joining a WhatsApp group is a great way to stay connected with family, friends, classmates, or even colleagues. By following these updated steps, you can make sure you never miss out on important discussions or announcements. Thanks for watching.